everyone, I am Jala. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I'm gonna speak about countable and uncountable nouns. This video can be useful especially for beginners. So let's get started. What's a noun? A noun means a name of objects, things, animals, flowers, fruit, places. For example, America, dog, friend, chair, door. These are nouns. Nouns have two types: countable nouns or count nouns and uncountable nouns or non-count nouns. What are countable nouns? Countable nouns or count nouns are those which are counted, which can be counted. For example, one teacher, two teachers, three teachers, and so on. Countable nouns can be singular and plural. When it is singular, we use the articles a, an. A and n means one. For example, a chair, an apple, an orange. But what is the difference between a and an? We use a when the word begins with consonant sounds. For example, a book. Here, B is a consonant sound. A chair. Here, ch is a consonant sound. But when the word begins with vowel sounds, we use n. An apple. Here, a is a vowel sound. An umbrella. Here, a is a vowel sound. We use n. When countable nouns are plural, we use the suffix s or es for most nouns. For example, a chair, chairs, a dog, ducks, a door, doors, a watch, watches. Why we say they are countable nouns? Because we can count them. For example, a door or one door, two doors, three doors, four doors, and so on. We can count the noun door. But what are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are those nouns which can't be counted. For example, bread, milk, water, advice. These nouns are uncountable. We can't count them. We can't say a water or one water, two water, three waters. Uncountable nouns are usually singular. We don't make them plural. We don't add s or es. We don't say two breads or three waters. Bread and water are only in singular. Uncountable nouns are numerous in English. They can be the names of a drink, liquid. For example, water, beer, tea, wine, milk, juice. But how can we count them? We can use a container or a quantity for counting them. For example, we can say 3 cups of tea, 5 glasses of milk. The names of games are also uncountable. Soccer, wrestling, shooting, tennis, billiards, dominoes. We can't say 2 soccers or 3 billiards. We don't count these nouns. But we can say a game of tennis, a game of soccer, or 2 games of soccer. The names of some food are uncountable: bread, flour, rice, mustard, pepper, salt, sugar. We can't say 2 sugars or 1 bread, but we can use a container or quantity. A pinch of salt or 2 pinches of salt. A loaf of bread or 2 loaves of bread. A kilo of flour or 2 kilos of flour. We can also say some bread, some flour, some cheese. Sometimes uncountable nouns can be frustrating for English learners. Don't use the article a and an for uncountable nouns. Don't say a bread, a flour, a cheese, or don't add s or es to these words. Don't say breads, cheeses, flours. The names of subjects and science are uncountable: politics, mathematics, algebra, phonetics, history, biology, and so on. When we say mathematics or politics, here S is not plural. It is the stem of the word. The names of materials: bronze, gold, silver, glass, paper, cotton, silk, iron, and so on. We don't count these nouns. We don't say a silk or 2 silks, a cotton or 2 cottons. We don't count them. We don't make them plural. But we can use a container. We can say a kilo of cotton or 3 kilos of cotton. The names of abstract nouns are uncountable. For example, love, hate, death, bravery, cruelty, development, happiness, luck, amusement, and so on. These nouns are abstract. We don't make them plural. We don't count them. Some uncountable nouns can be confusing for English learners. For example, furniture. This noun can be countable in other languages. We don't say a furniture or 2 furnitures in English. We don't make this noun plural. But we can say a piece of furniture or 2 pieces of furniture. Furniture is not concrete, but when we say a chair, a table, a sofa, armchair, a wardrobe, these nouns are concrete. So we can say a sofa and 2 sofas, a table or 2 tables. These are kinds of furniture and they are concrete. But furniture is not concrete. So we don't count this word. We don't say 1 furniture, 2 furnitures. The word traffic is not concrete. We can say a bus, 2 buses, a car, 2 cars, a truck, 2 trucks, but we don't say a traffic or 2 traffics, because when we say traffic, it's not concrete. But a bus is concrete. The word money is also uncountable. We don't say a money or 2 monies, but we say a coin, 2 coins, a dollar, 2 dollars. Coin and dollar are concrete, but when we say money, it's not concrete. So the words Furniture, money, traffic are uncountable. We can also use some words for showing the number of uncountable nouns. We can use some quantity words. We can say much, little, a little, plenty of, a lot of, a great deal of. These words can be used for uncountable nouns. We can say little water, a little water, a lot of water, much water. I have little money. I have much money, or I have a lot of money. Many, few, a few, several. These words can be used for only countable nouns. And when we use these words, we make countable nouns plural. A door, many doors. A duck, few ducks. A bag, several bags. A student, few students. Many nouns can be used as countable or uncountable nouns, usually with a difference in meaning. For example, noise. Did you hear a noise? Here, noise is a countable noun. We mean a particular noise. But when we say, I can't work, there is much noise. Here, noise is uncountable.
Paper. I need a paper to read. Here, paper is countable. But when we say, I need paper to write on, here paper is uncountable. It means a material. Room. I have 2 rooms in my flat. Here, room is countable. But when we say, do you have room in your car? Here, room means a place, and it's uncountable. We can't say, do you have a room for me in your car? Time. I make my video 1 time a week. Here, time is countable. But when we say, I don't have time to help you, here, time is uncountable. We can't say, I don't have a time to help you. Glass. I need a glass to drink water. Here, glass is countable. But when we say, this table is made of glass, here, glass is uncountable. It means a material. We can't say, this table is made of a glass. Hair. I found some hairs on the floor. Here, hair is countable. But when we say, I have long hair, here, hair is uncountable. We can't say, I have a long hair. So don't confuse countable and uncountable nouns. Make sure that you know the list of uncountable nouns. Learn them by heart. I hope this video can be useful for you. You can use countable and uncountable nouns in your speech confidently and correctly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.